Ever wanted to infuse your animations with the raw, personal charm of a sketchbook? Let's dive into making compelling hand-drawn elements right here in Adobe Animate first. Open your project and begin by choosing a brush tool. Experiment with different sizes and styles. Try setting your brush tips to a more textured setting to add texture. This can instantly make your lines look more organic. Now, the fun part, start drawing. Remember to embrace imperfections. Wobbly lines and uneven edges are your friends. These little quirks are what give your animations that unique, handcrafted feel. So don't aim for perfect smoothness. Embrace the art. Sketch out what you want to animate. Consider your line work. If you are animating a character, try using a different color than black. It can help you see differences in layers. Draw each frame separately, especially if you are going for that traditional animation look. This will offer that sketchbook feel. For efficiency, after drawing one frame, copy and paste it to the next frame. Then, on the new frame, modify it very slightly to continue creating the next animation sequence. Little changes help deliver the charming feel. Be sure to repeat this process. To recap our key tips, use textured brushes, don't be afraid of messy lines, and draw one frame at a time. This handmade aesthetic can set your animation apart. Remember, the goal is unique personalization. Have fun and happy animating.